Was that actually going to be the beginning?
I can chop it out. Alright guys, you join me for part 2 of the DIY bioactive vivarium build. For those of you who have not seen it yet, I'll quickly run through it. This is part 2, so go back in the videos and check out part 3. But I've just placed all the logs and everything just inside the Viv. It's a 90 wide, 60 tall Exoterra. I've got planters down here. I've got a water pump feature hidden under there. It's going to be a big water lake down that side of the tank. We've got another planter just there. Bit of a ledge there. It's all held in place by masking tape at the minute, just to keep it stable while I'm going through the next process. I've got a bit of a ledge there. Sorry about the light. It's night time. Little lad's gone to bed. Yep, again, all held up by tape. So while I'm running through doing all this, I've got a new cameraman. That's the missus. She's going to help out for a bit. Sorry if my shadow gets in the way, but we're just going to start doing some expanded foam, getting the whole background down. Hopefully we've got enough to go through. We shall see. I'm not going to go all the way down to the bottom, because the bottom's going to be bioactive, the hydro balls and substrate and all that sort of stuff, and half of it's going to be a bit of a lake anyway. But woo, there we go. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to start with the expanding foam. First of all, we need to spray it down, only very lightly, just to get the area slightly damp. I'm just giving it a quick... Sorry if I don't look at the camera too much, but she's recording. So if it goes wrong, it's her fault. And then, expanding foam, got to shake it for 30 seconds. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Yeah, I've already shook it for 30 seconds, so I'm not going to go there. This is my first time doing it, so if I mess up, we blame her indoors. But here we go. First off, I'm just going to secure all the bits down, go all the way around the little bits, and then I'll go in and fill in all the areas. Are we ready? It's spitting everywhere. Oh. That'll do for like that. Down here. Down here. Up here. I don't think that's really worked that well on that side, but I had fun doing it. Down here. Oop, down. Bit blob. And now I'm going to go on the other side. Ooh. Ow! Stop laughing, you. Now this foam, it's heat resistant, water resistant, and it does everything it says. That's the only reason I picked it, because it will do the job. And you can manipulate it a little bit with the tube, just not much, but just a bit. Now, all these little nooks and crannies down here, and everything seems to be securing in nicely now. We're just going to run around, fill in a few bits. If we want a bit more of a bump over here, we'll add a bit more there. That'll expand up nice and big and better. A few gaps down here that need doing. And a little bit more down here. And there we go, guys. Have a zoom in, have a look around. Bit more there, possibly. And a bit more. You can manipulate it around a little bit. Oh, put that bit there. And that is that, guys. That's the water pump down that bottom corner, so you can't really see much there. I've left the bottom bit clear. That's just because there's a drainage layer going in there with some substrate. There's no need to worry about it being that colour. I'm colourblind, I don't know what colour that is. For all I know, that just looks like a chocolate bar. But that's all going to get covered with some silicone, and then some substrate's going to be attached to it. Once it's hardened and it's expanded, cut it down nicely with a nice sharp knife. Be careful with a sharp knife, and don't give your missus a sharp knife either. She'll shank you. She will. Cover it with substrate, let it dry, flick it up, see how bad you've done. I hope you've enjoyed part 2. Part 3, we'll be going through, possibly fixing little bits, trimming a little bit off, covering it with silicone and securing it. We'll possibly be doing the sides as well. Until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you soon.